Now I am hungry. I want to eat something. No food for lunch. I got some tubers and storage roots of asparagus. Now I am cleaning them with fresh water. This is the clean up the verb, clean up the herbs. Shatavari. It is very important medicinal, one of the medicinal plants. I am eating it. Oh, tasty. It is nothing but roots, storage roots. Shatavari. Shatavari means hundreds of husbands. That means it controls the hundreds of diseases, sorry, women diseases. This is the, now I am cleaning another tuber. Contains more carbohydrates and water. Now these tubers and roots collected asparagus roots and some of the tubers